Today, I'll be showing you how to do black French tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to outline the free edge of your natural nail for the French tip, and you will do this for all of them. Follow me on Instagram. Take a Q-tip or an orange wood stick to clean up any excess. Subscribe for more nail art tutorials, and for more videos like these, check the cards in the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.